Namaste, I'm Shivaswati, and this video is about explaining that everyone has a purpose of life. This purpose of life is coming from your soul. It does not depend on society's expectations, like you have to be a doctor, engineer, successful businessman or manager, homemaker. It does not depend on how human beings define you. It depends on your vibrational frequencies, which are defined by your coming on earth, and it does not get affected by how human beings judge you. It is influenced by how God sees you. So welcome to the Voice of God channel. This is Shivaswati, and we make videos to explain why phenomena happen on earth which cannot be explained by rational wisdom. So the purpose of life is an important ingredient of a life plan, and it determines how long will you live. It determines how healthy or unhealthy you will be. It determines your astrology report, your desires, ambitions, your karmic syllabus. Your karmic syllabus is one of major reasons for having a certain purpose of life. For example, if you need to complete a task which you started in a past life, then your purpose of life will be around completing that task in current context. For example, if you were a warrior and you wanted to defeat another kingdom to make your own kingdom happy in a past life, in the present life that need will transcend. Suppose you are a teacher, then you will have to defeat an obsolete system of education to teach better, to teach a more relevant system of education which makes students genuinely happy. So the purpose of life is a feeling underlying an action. It is not the action by itself. So the purpose of life is never to be a doctor by itself. The purpose of life will be to help humanity in whichever way you can, and if your skill set is matching that of a doctor, you can help humanity by being a doctor. But if you cannot be a doctor for any reason, that does not mean that your purpose of life is over. It means that your purpose of life can be achieved in a better manner through some other way. So you cannot judge a person for performing well in school and for being very good in sports by saying that this person has achieved his purpose of life. It is not necessary that conventional success will help you achieve your purpose of life. Your purpose of life is dependent on your vibrations of positivity, and if you are vibrating more positive energy from your center of your being than negative energy, then your purpose of life is being achieved. If you are feeling more negative than positive in whichever work you do, then you are moving against your purpose of life. People who die early are usually those whose purpose of life is achieved by that time of existence, or they have a life plan where they will die early, and this is the maximum positivity that they can give given that life plan. So that is dependent on your previous life circumstances and how long do you choose to live in the present life, and why do you choose to live or die early in the present life. The purpose of life is the reason why some people continue to live very long, because they feel that they are needed on earth, and so even if they have bodies which are very sick, they continue to stay alive because they feel that they are vibrating positivity with their existence. People who are negative about their existence and people who feel that they can no longer be positive given their circumstances or given their desires and ambitions can choose to die early, because the purpose of life is to be positive. If you cannot be positive given a certain situation of life, you can choose to quit your body through a disease or an accident or visualizing death, but you are not supposed to commit suicide, because suicide is harmful, because the soul never dies, and suicide almost immediately leads to another rebirth in extremely difficult circumstances. So your death should be such that you are more positive at the moment of your death than you are when you are born. If you are more positive at the moment of your death than when you were born, it means that your purpose of life is being achieved. The purpose of life is the reason why several people choose to quit during the pandemic and other diseases, or with a heart attack, or through an accident, or there are certain deaths, brain strokes and all happening. So this happens when you are disconnected with your soul, and your soul, mind and body are not working in harmony. You are excessively working. You are a workaholic to the extent that you do not meditate at all. You are not connected to God. You are not connected to the soul. In those cases where you are not connected to your soul at all, you do not know which direction you are going. You are only running after success, but you do not know whether this success is leading to positivity in your own life or in the lives of others. If your success does not lead to increase in happiness in the universe, then that success is not useful from the perspective of God, and your soul, which is connected to God, can choose to quit the body and you may die. So you should always aim that you are happier than sadder with every choice you make. Sadness will always exist on earth because there is a night and day cycle, and 1/3 of your life is normally not balanced or in difficult circumstances, whether you are rich or poor, because every person will have a day and night balance of emotions. So 1/3 of your life will always be unhappy, but 2/3 you have to make happy by your own creative radiance. So your purpose of life is to be a co-creator of life. It is to co-create reality as a part of the co-creator, and it is not to be a victim of circumstances. If you are born as a tree or an animal, you are allowed to be a victim of circumstances. You can just be in a place and you can vibrate positivity. You can vibrate out oxygen and convert carbon dioxide to oxygen on earth, then, and you be peaceful yourself, then your purpose of life is being achieved as a tree. If you are an animal, your purpose of life is being achieved by the main function of that animal. But purpose of life is always an energy achievement. It is an emotion which you learn to master. For example, being a cat, you will learn to master self survival, self cleanliness, and surviving around a same house or the same place. So you will understand the value of a place. You will understand how to clean yourself, how to survive when there is dirt around in a healthy, clean manner. If you are a cow, your purpose of life will be to give milk and to be motherly and to give affection by your radiance, by your vibration. If you are a buffalo, your purpose of life will be to do hard work and learn perseverance, learn the value of creating through hard work, learn patience. So patience is normally a common purpose of life for all living beings. If you are a dog, your purpose of life will be to be loyal. Whether the person is a good person or a bad person, you will be loyal, unlike a god. The purpose of life of a god is exactly opposite of a dog. It is to be loyal only to positivity. A god will not be loyal to you if you are negative, if you are sad, if you are unhappy. God will not be there in your life. God will be there in your life only when you are positive. So purpose of life varies by the complexity of your mind. And the more complex your mind is, the more your purpose of life will be difficult to achieve, and it will require more soul strength, more energy, more patience. So the higher you go on the levels of soul evolution, your patience, discipline, compassion rise, and you are more peaceful in difficult circumstances. You stop blaming others, you stop complaining, you stop gossiping, and you are helpful wherever you can be, because you know that people go through so many different stages of life, and you never know why a person behaved in a certain manner given his circumstances. So you do not judge randomly. So your purpose of life is being achieved by being encouraging to everyone and spreading positivity with your vibration. as an advanced soul. As a less advanced soul, you may define your purpose as being a doctor or an engineer or a manager or a teacher. That is, you are seeking tangible definitions for your purpose, and your purpose is not, however, defined by the label of the work you do, but by the actual vibrational frequency that you undertake while doing the work. For example, if you are teaching, your purpose of life will be to help students think rather than simply execute a lesson. So if you are a soldier, your purpose of life will be literally to save other people's lives rather than go and fight in a war because you are bored, or because the country requires a sacrifice. So the purpose of life will not be defined by the nation, the name of the nation, but by the welfare of the community that you work for. If you are a doctor, your purpose of life will be achieved when you can instill hope and a fight to survive in your patients, and you can cure them. The purpose of life will not be achieved if you are only concerned with getting a good name and several patients, but they don't feel encouraged or empowered by your treatment. In that case, your purpose of life is not achieved by simply earning money. Money has to come with satisfaction for a purpose of life to be achieved, and you need to empower and you need to be kind to your patients. Only then your purpose of life as a doctor will be achieved. So patience is a major soul lesson for all professions and all living beings. As a homemaker, your purpose of life is achieved when your children are on a positive path of existence. Whether they earn money or not is not important. What is important is that they feel positive about coming on earth and being positive and optimistic about their existence, and that they are positive even if circumstances become difficult. Even if they are in difficulties, they are able to stay happy and believe in a happy universe, have gratitude towards goodness. In that case, your purpose of life is achieved if your children can learn how to be happy in difficulties. As a homemaker, as a wife, your purpose of life is being achieved if you can support your husband through difficult circumstances with a positive spirit. And as a husband, your purpose of life is achieved if you can give power and strength to your wife and support her in whichever way you can with a positive spirit, with being non-judgmental. So as a housemaid, your purpose of life is being achieved if you can be organized and disciplined with the work you do, and not judge your owners as being good or bad too much, because that creates negativity inside you. So as a officer, military officer, your purpose of life is achieved if you can complete your work in a way that you feel positive at the end of the day, and you do not seek war, you do not seek harming others, but you seek creating peace wherever you are going. As a police officer, your purpose of life is achieved if thieves are empowered to not thief, to not cheat again, and if people feel safe because you exist. As a laborer, your purpose of life is achieved if the work is done in a stipulated time with perseverance and with patience and with achieving the outcome that you have promised as much as possible. So as a painter, your purpose of life is achieved if your painting gives vibrations of positivity in the lives of others. A purpose of life is not defined by the money you earn or the surfeit of consumer items that you have. However, money and any rewards that you get are acknowledgements for your work, and that is why they are important, because you need to feel acknowledged so that you are motivated to work again. If you get burnt out by giving free service, you will not be able to continue on your purpose of life. So you are giving monetary compensation. Money is being created by God so that you can feel motivated and you can continue on your purpose of life for a longer time. So money is important depending on your purpose of life. You need to ask for that much money, and but greedy money without achieving a purpose of life is meaningless. It is like paper and it does not give you satisfaction. So money has to come with satisfaction if your purpose of life is being achieved. You should feel positive about your work and then money should come. If you feel negative about your work and then money comes, then the purpose of life is not being achieved. So basically, purpose of life is achieved when you are more positive than negative on an average by every choice you make, whether it is on relationships, money, or food you eat, or water you drink, or addictions you have. So addictions also should be such which make you more positive, more healthy than unhealthy. If you have addictions which make you unhealthy or over dependent on them, that means your purpose of life is not being achieved because you are depending on an external object of eating or drinking than on your inner strength. So the external food has to be only taken as long as it increases your inner strength. If its need is so much that your inner strength vanishes, as in drug addiction, you become useless without the drugs, that means that your purpose of life is not being achieved. You are doing something which is too much of a compromise for you, and that is why you are not achieving your purpose of life. So purpose of life is increased only when you feel more positive than negative. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe.